Hello, everyone! If you're like me, you like to keep your nails freshly polished and well on trend. So, in order to stay on top of your game for 2022, here are the 6 biggest trends everyone will be rocking this year. Short, well manicured nails. Long nails have truly been having a moment, but for 2022, we're easing back into the look of more natural short nails. These nails are easier to maintain and perfect for keeping fresh with polish, offering up easy ways we can all do our nails at home. Abstract nails. Abstract nails are the newest trend taking over Instagram. These nails feature fun designs made up of blocky swoons, squiggly swipes, and erotic details. The manicures gracing our Instagram feels more like abstract painting than nail art. This fun new trend is a great way to express yourself through your nails through the vibrant mix of colors and cool designs. Shades of blue. Hint of blue are the next biggest trend for 2022. This shade was spotted frequently on the runways and can be achieved through the look of glitter, abstract designs, and of course in pastel form. Ideal for adding a pop of color to your nails for spring 2022 season, periwinkle, which is the color of the year, will be the perfect mix of blue and purple this season and will definitely add some spring to your step. Metallic hue nails have managed to go in and out of season every few years. This year the look is back and hotter than ever. This high shine design is always a crowd pleaser, with easy to brush on selections making it the perfect way to polish your nails at home. Mismatched nail designs. Nail designs that showcase a different look on every finger offer up a great way to get creative this year. From fun colors to cool designs, don't be afraid to mix things up with clever color schemes and out-of-the-box designs. Nail stickers and press-on nails. The sticker nail world as well as press-on nails has really changed over the past few years. And while the look started off with cheesy designs, nail stickers and press-on designs now come in a variety of professional colors and artistic designs that in many cases you can't even tell the difference. Try the look out on the days when you want to skip going to the salon, but you still desire a professional look on your nails. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. We hope that you enjoyed this year's biggest trends. Which trends will you be rocking this season and which ones are your favorite? Leave us your thoughts in the comments below and we'll see you in the next one.